Jade, are you ready for gymnastics? You ready for gymnastics? Yeah?
Straddle.
She's like, one more. Are you being silly?
Can I get you? Can I
You
get
gonna
you?
get me? I'm gonna get you. So we went to Lowe's and got some pots, or some plants for our flower pots. Normally we just get these ones right here, which are the ready refills, and they're like $16 or $17. So they're super affordable and they look awesome. But for the rest of the pots, we got the ones that kind of come in the hanging basket, and they're like $14 or $15, and we're planning on putting those directly into these pots right here. We have 5 of those, but since it is pouring out today, it's not exactly ideal for planting, so we're just going to be doing some cleaning in-house instead.
There they go.
So it finally stopped raining. I was hoping that the rain would wash away all the pollen, but I picked up these cute little cushions from Kirkland recently, and I just think that they're so cute. So I definitely need to give my porch like a wipe down, just kind of get rid of all the dirt and the pollen that's all over the place. And then this wreath I also picked up from Kirkland as well. Super cute and very spring and very fun and colorful. Finally got some of the flowers planted. We just did some of the planting now that the rain has stopped. How much were these hanging pots? What? I apologize for the loud noise. My neighbor's cutting their lawn. But we got the like hanging pots from Lowe's for like $15 or $16. And they're like pretty full. They look super cute. And we just took them out of the little hanging pot thing. And then we just planted them in our pots in the backyard. And now we're just doing some wagon rides around the backyard. My roses literally just popped overnight. I feel like they all just bloomed at the same time. Jade, are you helping us sweep around the pool? Yeah? And these flowers are doing great too that I just planted. We're gonna open the pool today. So we just opened the pool. It is like black and disgusting. So I'm hoping that we can get it cleaned out within the next few days and that it's not looking as atrocious. Jade, do you want to go swimming in this dirty pool? Yeah. You want to go swimming with it looking like that? Yeah. No, it's yucky.